How to get more clients for your web design business. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get more clients for your web designing business, what are the different tricks and tips that you should avail, and how to actually get more clients and run a successful web designing business online. What are the different platforms for you guys that I would suggest. So let's get into the video. What is web designing? Web designing is when we design websites for different clients and companies, and we create their website for their business, for their company, whatever they want us to do on different platforms. They tell us the platform where they want to create it, or if they are complete beginner, they just say that we want this kind of website. For example, they say we want a UX portfolio, we want a blog, we want a website for our company, or we want a booking website. So then we create a website for them, and then we give it to them and make money this way. How to get started with web designing and from where you get your clients. I personally use a freelancing platform which is known as Fiverr.com, and there is also Upwork.com. And what you can do is you can get clients from different platforms that will actually help you get more productive, and you will get more and more clients. So right now I am on Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is a freelancing platform where you will be able to find your clients, and you will be able to create a gig, which is a web designing gig. If I go to Fiverr and if we go to graphic and design, in graphic and design we have right here website design. So let's go right here because this is where we work. This is our niche, this is our category. So you can see right here, now I can check that there are a lot of people doing web designing, and you can see right here, I will design professional Shopify website for you. I will design UX design website for you. I will create a modern design. I will create an e-commerce website for you. I will create a responsive website. So this is how we create gig. You can just check it out. You can see Wix website available here, Shopify. Then we have coming soon page. Then we have WordPress website right here. We have UX again, UX portfolio websites, WooCommerce, WordPress. So we can just, list the platforms that we use. I personally use WordPress. You can see right here, we have WordPress and Wix. We also have Squarespace. So I use three platforms: Wix, WordPress, and Squarespace, and that's what you can do. These are completely free platform, very easy to use, and I will show you why we should choose these platforms and how they help us create responsive websites. So you can see these are the different gigs that we can create, and I can also now go ahead and create a gig of my own, and I can say that I'm a website designer and I can create a website for you. Again, we can list our websites that we have already created. We can also list a platform. We can also list our editors that we use in order to create websites and website templates. So this is what web designing means. And in web designing, I would also like to mention, many people think that web designing is just creating a website. No, it also means creating a website template, website logos. So I kind of think that it comes under the website designing section. You can see right here, we have UX design, landing pages design, and icon design as well. So you can go into any of these niches. A platform now, you will create a gig, you will list that, okay, I can create a website on WordPress, I can create a website on Wix. The first thing is how you will get more client is that make sure that you list the platforms you can create a website on, and make sure you are open to more platforms. Not just say that I will create only a WordPress website. No, you can go with WordPress, Wix, Shopify, Squarespace, WooCommerce, so GoDaddy. So that will actually help you get more clients, because then you have actually expanded your clients, because you're creating different websites. So that is why you will get more clients rather than just listing one platform, because if you know web designing, then you can create website on any of these platforms. Second of all, what you need to do is create a responsive gig, create a gig which is attractive to your client. Show your websites that you're creating. You can see different 5-star rated gigs right here. They are listing their platforms and they're showing These are the website that we have created. You can see right here, this is the 5-star. You can look at the platforms: WordPress, HTML, Wix, Squarespace, WooCommerce, Shopify, and landing page. And you can see right here they have 5-star rating. And similarly, it also depends on your you know, and it also depends on how much you charge. As a complete beginner, don't go over the board. Make sure that first you get a reputation, and then you can charge whatever you want to. If you're creating a website on WordPress, I have a few of the tricks for you. First of all, make sure, one of the other things that I would like to mention before we move on to the different platforms is that make sure your delivery time matches your deadline, because if you're not meeting your deadlines, that means you will not be getting clients. Second, let's move on to the different platforms. So the first of all, we have WordPress. I have a WordPress website right here that I just created for you guys, and I just wanted to show you how it looks, the dashboard. And if I go to plugins right here, now, if you create a WordPress website, make sure that you offer everything they were looking for. If they wanted you to create a booking website, you can do that by adding different plugins. So WordPress has a lot of plugins for us. They're completely free to make. So make sure that you create a very responsive website with WordPress, and you will be able to add a lot of plugins. So if you go to plugins right here, add new, we can find thousands of plugins. Another thing that I like to do with my WordPress website is that it's just a bonus thing that I give my clients, and they like it. That is why they come back to me. And it's that I also add a SEO plugin that helps them with the analytics and SEO of their website, because these are the few things that we do in order to make our clients happy and satisfied. So make sure that you do these things. For example, a lot of people would say that, okay, they're not asking us to do work on the SEO. They have other people for that. Why would we do that? So you don't need to do anything. Just ask them then, okay, we can also add an SEO plugin that I use is your SEO or Rank Math. A very easy plugins to add to your WordPress website. Similarly, we can add plugins such as booking plugins. We have gallery. If they are an influencer and they're asking you to create a website, make sure to add a Instagram feed and Facebook feed to their website. That will really make them happy, and they will really like it. Most of the time clients give me bonus for these things, because they're like, okay, so this is actually an extra thing. They're asking you to make a website because they don't know how to create a website, and they're looking for a professional who would actually tell them what they're doing with the website, and tell them that, okay, this is available, and I can do this, I can do that. So this really makes them happy. So make sure that you let your clients know. If you, of course you're getting clients, but if you want to get more clients, then you will have to let them know that what you can do, what are your skills, right? So make sure that you add different plugins, and make sure that you help your clients understand that this is what you can do. If we go to the Wix website right here, I have few Wix websites here. This is like my personal Wix. So what happens is, you can also get a domain name for your clients. You can say that, oh, I can also get a domain name for you. Second of all, you can also help them choose the template. If they know some few things about platforms, you can just ask them, okay, so these are the different templates I'm going to work on if you're using a template. And you can create UX portfolio website on Wix. There are a lot of templates available. Similarly, on WordPress, we have different templates and themes available that help us create an attractive website for our clients. Make sure your website is high quality, responsive, professional, and has the right tools and features your clients were looking for. This will help you increase your website business, and it will help you get more and more clients for your web designing business. And then of course you can make money with it. Once you create website, you give it to your clients, and after that they can just use it. You give them all of the information. You can also get them a domain name. Once they have a website, it's up and running, you're good to go. You can make money. And when it comes to making money on Fiverr, This starts from hundreds of dollars. You can start from, some people actually work on for like $50 per hour to $200 per hour, and there are a lot of people working from $200 to $500 per hour. So, and it also, sometimes we also go for a fixed design, but hourly rate is good, and you can start as a complete beginner. You can start from $30 per hour to $100 per hour for your web designing business. And once you're professional, you have reviews, then you can go ahead and start from hundreds to, and then make thousands to millions of dollars with web designing. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to get more clients for your web designing business. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.